Well, Hakan Camuz is a senior legal consultant dealing with international cases on behalf of governments, NGOs and individuals. He joins us now live from London. Thank you for your time, Mr. Camuz. The prosecutor has twice rejected approving a formal ICC investigation into Israel. Can we expect a different outcome this time?
It was Madam Prosecutor's decision that has been evaluated by the panel of judges and most senior judges at the International Criminal Court. They're the ones who found her approach to the whole open investigation to be factually incorrect, and she had needed to evaluate the applications we have submitted on behalf of majority of the passengers that was on board of those ships that was trying to break illegal blockade of Gaza at the time. So it is correct decision today by the appeals chamber to go back to her and informing her that her way of dealing with the application was totally rejected by the panel of judges. All of them actually agreed that our application was correct and she needed to evaluate it correctly, taking into consideration the fact, the evidence and everything that we have provided on behalf of the victims.
Yeah, we should have mentioned there you are representing the families of some of the victims who were on board. After this incident, Israel paid, as we said, $20 million to the families of some of those Turkish people who died and issued a formal apology. How do the families that you're representing feel about it now? Do they want this ICC probe to go ahead?
The compensation agreement was between the Israeli state and the Turkish state, and the family's participation is somewhat in the air. It does not stop, even if they have accepted it. The compensation, it does not stop International Criminal Court proceedings to continue on behalf of those families as well as the rest of the passengers that was on board, i.e. this is an ongoing criminal charge that we are seeking, criminal investigation, I apologize, we're seeking to be opened up by the Madam Prosecutor, who has jurisdiction over this incident that took place in 2010 May, and it includes everybody who was on board at the time.
I guess what I'm asking is, given that you've obviously speaking to some of those families, is it very, very important for them? Do they still feel very close to this, to get this in front of the ICC for closure?
I would definitely agree with that statement of yours. I can tell you the desire to continue all the way at seeking justice for what they have suffered are the wishes of all of the passengers who were on board of those vessels at the time. So they will continue the legal fight until they get a resolution, a justice for what they have suffered.
Thank you so much for your time. That's Hakan Camuz there, a senior legal consultant.